Hey folks, welcome back. In this session, we are going to learn something interesting. Can we get the URL shortened through Python? Do we have facilities for it? Yes, Python provides you everything, and we are going to get the URL shortened with Python right now. But for that to be done, we need pip install pyshorteners to be done first. Issue this command in your command prompt properly. Pip install pyshorteners. The moment you do that and it's all successful, you can go ahead with your coding. Import pyshorteners as anything that you want, and I have made it as PSN. And the URL that I want to shorten is https://en.wikipedia.org/wiki Sachin_Tendulkar. Now I need to pass this as an argument and I need to use the methods appropriately. U equal to PSN, which is nothing but the pyshortener. So PSN dot shortener is the method that I have called, and tiny URL dot short. By passing this URL as an argument, you get the content generated. I mean, you get the URL shortened. Can we try out? Yes, I'm going to do that right now for you. Run module. The moment I do it, I get it done. That's all. It's very simple, isn't it? Now give it a try and it should work. In case you have any problems or queries, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be able to answer. If you like the channel and the content, please subscribe. Thank you.